In this video, we are going to take a look at the ProGrade UHS-2 V90 SDXC cards. I've been needing some faster cards for my A7IV to unlock more of the video modes, so I decided to check the ProGrade cards out. The ProGrade cards feel sturdy and solid. ProGrade gives you a 3-year warranty on memory cards. The cards have the second row of pins showing that they are UHS-2. I really like the unboxing experience of these. It was a lot easier to open the packaging than some of the other cards that I purchased. A speed test with my 2021 MacBook Pro's built-in card reader hit 250 to 300 megabytes per second write and 250 megabytes per second on the read speed. That's impressive because that's spot on with what the cards promise. When you get new memory cards, you should format them in your camera. After formatting them, I went to test some of the various video modes on my A7IV, and I was able to record all video formats except for S&Q frame rate of 60 or 50 frames per second, recording at 30, 25, or 24p. Using UHS-1 V30 cards, I was having some issues with the 4K 10-bit recording stopping with no warning just after a random amount of time. With these V90 cards, I've had no issues with recording stopping. If you need a set of UHS-2 cards to record lots of burst photos, high-quality video, or to get faster offload speeds from your camera, I would recommend picking up the ProGrade cards. I have links for these cards in the description below. Thanks for watching this video. If you found value in this content, please subscribe to the channel and like this video so more people find it.